Are you tired of pulling all-nighters just to keep up with your studies? What if I told you there's essay-free AI that can make your learning faster and way more efficient? Say hello to your new smart study partner, Google Gemini. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Just type in any question you have, from complex scientific concepts to historical events, and Gemini explains it clearly in seconds. Watch this. I'll ask it to explain photosynthesis, and boom, an instant easy-to-understand answer. But that's not all. Got a super long chapter to read? Just paste the text into Gemini and ask it to summarize the key points. It turns dense paragraphs into quick, digestible notes, saving you hours of reading and helping you stress less. Gemini is your all-in-one tool to help you understand difficult topics, improve your writing, and learn more effectively. It's all about studying smarter, not harder, so you have more time for yourself. If you want more tips on free tools that make studying and creating easier, make sure to subscribe to AI Spark Shorts. Let's learn, create, and grow together.